Okay, as said in the previous video, I need to make some alterations here for this. I need to get this hole size down to that size there. So that was a guess previously, so I'm just going to measure that hole size. Let's just see what it says. I'll just move that over to one side. So radius is this, it's a 4mm hole, which is what that measured out to be. So let's just escape, let's just measure the other part on that one. So let's just do the inside of this just to show what that is. That's 1.5 radius. So all I'm going to do is just right hand click on there and go into edit sketch, and what has it done for me? Absolutely nothing. Oh, there's that sketch there, because that's the 4mm shaft. So I think when we did that, let's go back and have a quick look how we did that. I think it's in relationship to this half shaft to go through. And I'm just going to double check. Take this thing apart. Oh, there's one out. Let's just double check. That centre bezel actually is a lot smaller than we anticipated, so just bear with me a second there. So on the on the underside, it should be approximately 3mm, and on the other side, the bigger side, it's actually gone to 4mm. So I just rotate. So that there is 3mm and this here is 4mm. So this hole here really shouldn't be there at all. Well, it should be there, but just to these sizes here. I think the easiest thing to do is let's just hide this, and let's just hide that. So it just gives a little bit more clarity. And let's bring this back to there. So it's this hole here we need to look at. So if I go to edit feature, let's just see what feature we've got and where that is in our tree. So okay, so we've got several things. We've got that fillet there, got that there, and we've got that there. So what I'm going to do is actually take off that center thing, so we don't need to do that. So let's just, it should be the top feature only. So that one, that's the top one we want. That one we don't want. So let's just hide that. Let's just delete that one, and it will show here that the hole there is being taken down. Let's have a quick look at this and see what happens. Let's go back onto the section tool, and there we go. We are back to normal. So it was just I say a quick modification. It wasn't actually, because if I now just hide this. Let's just see what hole size this is. Let's just go to edit sketch. There we go. There's the hole size we needed. It's 3mm. Absolutely fine. So we don't need to do anything else for that. But what I want to look at with the other part I've just hidden. Where is that little part gone? There it is there. So let's just bring that part back into play. Let's just find out where this is. So just down here somewhere. So that sketch was that big sketch there. I've got a funny feeling. I want to know what the outer. That's the outer one there. Just bear with. Do that one. That's the hole there. So okay, let's go to sketch. Edit sketch. That's the one we did 3. Okay, we've done. Just that bit there. Let's just hide that again, and let's just, sorry, I don't want to hide that one, I want to hide this. Let's just hide this one, and let's try again. Hide. Okay, it's that I want the measurement of there. Let's just look at that. Edit sketch. Okay, yeah, that's about right. So I'm happy with that, but let's just have a quick look at what the diameter is of that outer. Okay, and that is 3 as well, so it's the same as a hole, so we're okay. So I just wanted to go back and double check all of that. So we've made those alterations, and I'll just bring everything back in just to show you that we are okay. And I'll go on to this bit in the next video of how to actually achieve that. Let's just bring those other bits in. Casing, and I need to show you how to do those fins. And there's the top bit. Okay, right, we'll go on to the next video to do that back part and do those fins. Oh, the shaft length. Before we go anywhere, let's just have a check on this shaft. So let's just go on to that. I just need to measure. We have actually lost a hole here, so I need to adjust that as well. So, because if I just hide the shaft for a second, you can see there's no hole then. There needs to be a 4mm hole. So if I just Control Z, let's go back. Okay, and I think that was probably because I did that. It's quite easily sorted. So if I just go back to this one here, let's just bring the got one. Let's come back down to that one. So I've just gone back. Let's put that hole in. Sketch, sketch. Let's do on that surface. Let's do a circle. Come out to 2mm. Let's go to start features. Let's go to 4mm. And features. Go extrude cut. We can do a through all or blind or up to surface, but let's just put it through so I can see roughly where it is. That's fine. It's a little bit of a lazy way of doing it, but that's that. So if I now go back up to switch, or if I come down, I bring this all the way down, you'll see that the shaft now goes all the way through. So what we need to do is actually do this boss part of it, which will be similar to the back side of the other one and the top. So we can do that now. So if I just hide this, let's just hide that. So we want to sort of replicate this there. So if I go to actually this should be a little bit different. So let's just go back and edit that. Let's go to edit that sketch again. I put 4mm. Let's put in 4.5. Or let's just put in 5mm. So it'll be a 5mm hole. It should change. Just double click on that. That's it. 5. And so that gives us about 0.5mm of brass to play with. That's a tick. Okay. Okay, I've got errors up, I know, because it probably was because of that there, but we can talk about that in a bit. So all I need to do now is go to sketch. I want to go onto that surface this time, and what I'm going to do is draw or convert entities first. I'm going to convert that entity of that inner and that one. Okay, so got that circle there. And then I want to draw out, was that done that already? No, I then want to sketch another. So let's just do that bit first. So features, extrude boss base. Okay, I want it to go the other way. I'll go up to next. Let's just do that. It should up to next. A reverse. Merge results. Let's take that off. Let's just, my computer's frozen for some reason. That's it. Let's go up to that. I did have up to next, but let's just flip it around. Reverse. That's better. And go up to actually I'm just going to pull that back in. I'm cheating a little bit, I know. Got extrude. Let's just check that one. And that should have done that. Okay, and then just to make it a bit tidier, I'm going to go to sketch again, sketch on that surface this time. I'm going to convert entities, so it'll be that inner one. Okay, and then I'm just going to offset. Let's try 1 mil, see what that does. Yeah, perfect. Okay, and then go to features, go to extrude boss base. Okay, this just has to be a fraction, so let's go 0.5 of a mil. I could probably get away with less than 1, to be honest, but we can change that. And yes, I do want it to merge, but only with this one. Okay, so that's another something. So that's that merge. And then what I can do is go to chamfer, and I can't remember what dimension I put on there, but it's not 10 for definite. So let's put in 0.2, and there we go. We've got a nice little chamfer on there, and there's that part. So that's us sort of finished those little bezel shapes. I think there's still an issue here, but we can go back to that in a bit. So let's just bring that shaft back. Where's my shaft? I think it's that one there. Maybe, yeah, there it is. So now we've got something that shaft actually runs in. Now the length of that shaft should be, if I get this right, 21 millimeters. So again, what I'm going to do is take my little measuring tape. I'm going to go onto that face there and that face there, and it says 19.51. Okay, so I can also double check if I just press escape what the distance is from there to there, because I know what this distance should be. That's 9.7, shortest line. I need to go the minimum distance, face 1 to face 2 minimum. I don't have that marked on here, but let's go. I'm in that one. Point to point. Let's go to minimum distance. Okay, there we go. It's in the purple, so it's 9.5 on there, and let's just check that that is correct. Oh, I just pushed it out. It's clever, Gordon. And Arthur's just having a little bark. Yeah, 9.5, so we know that's fine. So it's this end that needs to change. So let's just double check that one more time, because I've forgotten what the so that to there. Okay, that should be the shortest distance, and that minimum distance 11.5. Have I done that right? No, let's just try that again. Let's try once more time. If in doubt, do it again. Okay, that is 19.5. So I need to add 1.5 onto this other end. Let me just double check that again. So just using the verniers. Yeah, it needs to be 21, 19, 1.5. So what I can do is just go on to this one, just right hand click on it, go to edit feature, and let's just see what it says here. So that's direction 2. It was 9.5. Let's just double check which ends which. So if that's that, let's just do that at 11.5. Let's try that. Yeah, that's fine. And I'm sure that is correct. We can change it again later if not. So that's now at the correct length on there, 21.5. Brilliant. Okay, I shall in the next video we'll look into this, and we need to do the gears as well, but that gets a little bit fiddly, and I'll do the fins for the gearbox here.